Hi everybody, lesson 3, week 1. This one is due on Friday. So you're going to watch example videos and you're going to do your storyboard worksheet. Okay, this is my Friday feeling right here. So my video's here. Good job, you're watching it. Yesterday and the day before, you created 2 driving questions and you completed 6 points of research per driving question. Okay, so you filled out your resource list and your justifications and you turned in that worksheet. So you should have 2 worksheets turned in at this point. What you are doing today, you are going to watch a couple example videos. You're going to learn about tips and tricks you should use when creating a video and create a storyboard for your PSA. Okay, this sounds scary. It's not. I'll take you through it. All right, at least 5 scenes. There's no more than 9. There must be an attention grabber and a call to action required. Then you're going to turn in your storyboard. You're going to start recording and editing using the guidelines above. All right, so first, you're going to watch some example videos from quarter 3 last year. Copy and paste these links into your browser if they don't work. So just highlight this, copy it. If you can't click on it, click on this one, watch as many as you'd like, and then paste them just to get an idea of what you're doing here. All right, and then you're going to take some time to learn the best way to shoot these videos and edit the videos. Okay, so here's 6 video production tips. All right, you're going to read through these. Click on these sources. They have good information. It's going to talk about basic video shooting, audio quality, using a tripod, lead room, headroom, and video transitions. Okay, you're going to watch these videos. Again, just keep scrolling, read and scroll, read and scroll. Okay, there's very important things in here so that you're not shooting your video incorrectly and that you turn in the best quality possible. All right, so after you read through these 6 points here, the summary here in general, just keep it simple. Okay, stay focused on the message to the audience, stick to the story, and to do that, you're going to create a storyboard. All right, so after you've learned all that, you're going to come down here to the storyboard. So you're going to download the storyboard worksheet in Notability, again, due Friday at 11:59 p.m. A storyboard is a graphic outline for your video. It's kind of like a cartoon strip. You're going to make a bunch of thumbnail images that tells your story from beginning to end. You'll also include written notes about what happens in each scene. Your end result will look like this comic. Your end result will look kind of like a comic strip. Follow the directions on this image. So, scene right here. Okay, in the scene boxes, draw or explain your location, props, scenery, etc. All right, so if you're going to start in the backyard, you're going to write backyard on the swing set. Okay, text. In the text box, write the topic, the music, the dialogue, what's going on, what are you talking about, what's going to be the main theme here, is there music, who's talking, that's going here. Okay, scene 1 must be an attention grabber. Get your audience engaged early in your PSA. There's nothing worse than watching a video that starts out super slow. Okay, so whatever you have to do to grab the audience's attention that's appropriate for your topic, go ahead and do that. Okay, your final scene must be a call to action. A call to action is what your audience should do with the information that you gave them. Okay, so if you're trying to tell them that they shouldn't go to Starbucks 7 days a week, okay, why? Leave them with a call to action, something that they can do in order to use your information to better their lives. Okay, so that has to be in your final scene. So first scene is grabbing their attention, last scene is a call to action. You must have at least 5 scenes filled out on your storyboard. Okay, 9 is the max. This is an example of a completed storyboard. So they wrote in here the weight room. They drew a little picture. Okay, and then they wrote the text here of what's happening. How long, okay? If you can write how long, I think that's going to be a huge help. 30 seconds, 2 seconds, 30 seconds. So your pictures don't have to be super great, okay? But the easier or the more you fill this out, the easier recording will be for you. All right, so use this as a resource, use this as a guide, and get this turned in.